Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make easy no glue hand sanitizer slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is Manny Watson, Lucky Star ALDC, Ocean Wave, and Michael Kruger. Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue hand sanitizer slime. This has been one of my favorite recipes for a while to show back on my channel, and you guys seem to be loving this video, so I thought I would show it today. So the ingredients you guys will need to make no glue hand sanitizer slime is, of course, hand sanitizer. I have a bunch here. You can use really any type, but I do prefer the Bath & Body Works one, and I'll tell you guys the reason for that in a second. Then you guys will also need a thick shampoo. I'm using the Garnier Fruits one. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. Alright, so the reason why I prefer the Bath & Body Works one is mainly because of these blue beads in there. The blue beads is basically what holds the slime and makes the slime for no glue hand sanitizer slime. On my recipe that went viral, like really viral a couple years ago, the only reason it made slime was just because of the blue beads. So if you use any type of brand like this type of hand sanitizer, it will not work. So make sure it is Bath & Body Works brand. Now that that is said, I'm first going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to add in the shampoo. That looks like just enough. And now I'm going to pick out the hand sanitizer I'm going to add, and I think I'm going to use a Christmas one, and I'm going to use Twisted Peppermint for today's video. This one smells so good. Any type from Bath & Body Works can work as well, as long as the blue beads are in there. So that looks like enough, and oh my goodness, this smells amazing. That looks like just enough mixing. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Every 30 minutes, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to see how it's doing. If it needs more shampoo, I'm going to add more shampoo. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Also guys, don't forget to check out my slime shop on Etsy. It is Kawaii Slime Shop 24. I have a bunch of brand new Christmas slime mystery boxes, and bestsellers on there. And every order comes with an extra, like a pop-it or a stress ball or a bunch of cool extras over here, as you can see. And every order, of course, comes with an awesome business card of mine, which has a slime care sheet on it and candy. So check out my slime Etsy shop, Kawaii Slime Shop 24. Alright guys, it's been about 4 hours, and here it is, and I'm beyond skeptical about there. And I don't know what to do. Also, my spoon left pink markings on here because I was making a thumbnail for this. Because I had another hand sanitizer slime I made before this. So if you question that, that's why. And here is the slime. I'm kind of unsure about it because it looks really sticky, but let's go in. And gosh, this is very, very sticky. Oh my goodness. It did make slime though. Like, I'm not gonna say that's like it didn't, but it made slime. Kind of. Yeah, I mean, it's like really like stringy slime. Like, if you know what I mean by stringy slime, it's like not really gonna get together. But let me knead this for a few minutes and then we'll get back. Alright, I've been kneading it, and here it is. It actually turned out really cool. Super messy, like, not going to lie. It's a very messy recipe. I always know hand sanitizer slime is always going to be a messy recipe. And oh no, I got it on my new ring. That's fine. But the recipe didn't turn out that bad as I thought it would. I mean, like, here it is. Of course it made slime, so you know, it's a good recipe. Just, it's very, very messy, and it takes a long time. But here it is, and all you needed was any type of thick shampoo and, of course, hand sanitizer, of course, one with the blue beads in it. The blue beads melted down and made the slime. That's kind of how it thickened it, if that makes sense. Sorry, I really am not good at explaining stuff, but yeah, here is the slime, and I think it turned out really, really good. This recipe turned out great. It does take a while, and it's a little bit on the sticky side, but again, as I said, it made slime. It's a no glue slime recipe, super easy, 2 ingredients only, and it does take a little while, but you know, it makes slime. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I really hope you guys have been enjoying all the new content on my channel. Remember to check out my Etsy shop. I'm going to be doing a sale for the next 2 days only for the people that check it out. It's going to be 10% off all my slimes. And remember, every order gets an awesome extra and an extra baggie. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Remember to check out all my social medias and my Etsy, Kawaii Slime Prep 24. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much. And peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. And leave down below if this recipe worked for you or didn't work for you, and I'll get back to you. Bye guys!